Welcome to our product presentation, where we showcase the Tooltos 3L Jewelry Steam Cleaner, the ultimate solution for deep, high-temperature steam cleaning, perfect for restoring the brilliance of your precious jewelry. Designed for professional jewelry care, this steam cleaner delivers powerful cleaning with 4-bar pressure and steam temperatures reaching up to 135 degrees Celsius, ensuring that every corner of your jewelry is touched by deep steam cleaning. Its high-temperature steam penetrates intricate designs and settings, removing tarnish and restoring the luster of gold, silver, and other metals in an instant. With a 2200W power output, this machine is designed for efficiency. Add 2 liters of pure water, and you're ready to clean up to 100 pieces of jewelry, all without wasting water. Safety is a priority with the Tooltos Steam Cleaner. Double security switches, a grounded wire, and insulated handle ensure safe use, while fast heat dissipation protects the internal circuit and extends the machine's life. Follow these steps for optimal performance. 1. Connect the power supply. Turn on the main power switch. Be careful to check that the power supply voltage is the same as that used by the machine. 2. Installation of foot pedal. 3. Installation of exhaust nozzle. 4. Before starting the machine, pour out the water remaining from the last use through the drain valve. Keep the water tank clean and free of impurities. Do not turn on the machine if there is sewage in the water tank. 5. Add 2 liters of purified water to the dispenser using the supplied measuring cup. The full indicator lights up when the water is full. 6. Turn on the heat switch. Heat until the reach indicator lights up and your jewelry is ready to be cleaned. Whether you're a jeweler, jewelry repair shop owner, or enthusiast, the Tooltos Steam Cleaner will leave your items sparkling like new, while gently caring for the finest details of your pieces. Each package comes with everything you need for seamless operation, including an exhaust nozzle, foot switch, beaker, funnels, and more. It's ready to use right out of the box. Experience the power and precision of professional steam cleaning with the Tooltos 3L Jewelry Steam Cleaner. Order yours today and bring your jewelry back to life to shine like never before.